Disabling biometric login on your Curve 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your device no longer uses biometric authentication. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings menu on your Curve 2026. You can usually find this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping on the gate icon. Step 2. Navigate to Security. Scroll through the settings options and locate the Security section. Tap on it to access security-related settings. Step 3. Select Biometric Data. Within the Security menu, look for an option labeled Biometric Data or Biometrics. Tap on this option to view your current biometric settings. Step 4. Disable Biometric Login. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling biometric login, exit the settings and test your device to ensure that it now requires a password or PIN for access instead of biometric authentication. By following these steps, you can successfully disable biometric login on your Curve 2026. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to seek help from customer support.